Hey Fantastics, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a little different video. So let's open this package with me. And I recently got this package, like I've ordered some surprise tapioca pearls, which is for the boba tea, and we are going to make some boba tea today. So this package has some boba tea and like the tapioca pearls and boba straws, since not everybody in India has boba straws, and also a booklet which gives you instructions on how to make this boba, and some recipes which suggest it, like in a milk version and also a iced tea version. So yeah guys, now let's see how to make this boba. So the first thing is that we have to switch on the stove obviously, and then we have to take a saucepan and just boil 5 cups of water, because I am taking 1 cup of tapioca pearls. So for 1 cup you need 5 glasses of purified water, and I'm taking exactly 5 glasses as you guys can see on your screens. And after taking that, you guys need to make sure that the water boils, and then we have to add our tapioca pearls. So as you guys can see, the water is boiling. So now we are going to open our tapioca pearls, and now I'm going to measure exactly 1 cup of boba pearls, as you guys can see, tapioca pearls, and now I'm going to add it into the water as you guys can see. And make sure you guys add everything in one go and wait for them to rise like this and float and come up to the top surface of the water. And just make sure to keep it moving in the saucepan, like keep stirring it, because you don't want them to stick together. And just wait until all of them come on the surface of the pan. So once you guys see all of the boba that you added come to the surface, then make sure to give them a little stir. And after this point, you guys can close it with a lid and cook it on low flame for 5 to 10 minutes. And you guys can see I am continuously stirring it, since like I want to make sure that they don't stick. So I'm like stirring it, and at this point when they are a bit more brownish, dark brownish, you can now close the lid and now let it just simmer and boil for 5 to 10 minutes. And guys, make sure that you time it like the whole time. And yeah, we don't want the balls to be like too chewy, otherwise it's like soggy and it will not absorb the sugar syrup that we are going to add later. So it's really important that we exactly cook it for 5 to 10 minutes. And yeah guys, that's it. And when it is like boiled, after 5 minutes you close the lid. And now I'll show you how to make the tea. I'm pretty sure everybody in India already knows how to make tea, but yeah, this is how my family makes tea. So we just add milk before, and just add the number of cups of tea that you're making, the exact amount of spoons of tea. So I'm like making 3 or 4 cups of tea, so I'll just add accordingly. You guys can add according to your taste, or you guys can add the number of glasses that you're making of this tea. And yeah, that's enough. And now I'll add sugar. Again, it's completely your choice, like whatever your taste is. You guys can add less or more sugar depending on your taste. And yeah, I'm just adding however much I've added here, and that's it pretty much. And now I'll just leave this on slow flame for like 10 to 20 minutes, however much time it will take the tea to brew. And after it has a very rich brownish caramel color, yeah, I'll just switch off the stove and the tea is ready. So now we'll just remove our boba, since you guys need to let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes for the boba to cool down. And as you guys can see, it's still not completely cooled down, which is ideal, but we'll strain it after it is a bit warm. Now after straining it, you guys need to immediately give these boba pearls, a cold bath. Like, I have a bit of cold water in a bowl. Like, I've put some ice cubes in this, which are already melted due to heat. Rajasthan is literally so hot, you guys. It's just super hot in here every day. And now I'll just add the boba pearls into this cold bath for them to cool down a little bit. And yeah, for like 10 to 20 seconds, and after that I'll just remove it into another bowl for the addition of the sweetener. So now I'm just quickly removing all of the boba pearls since it's been more than 30 seconds. So I'm just removing all the boba pearls since they can get like literally super cool super fast. So we don't want them like cold. We want them to be remain a little bit warm, since it has to absorb sugar and also melt that sugar, since we are not heating it. But I have actually microwaved it in the end because the sugar kind of crystallized. So at the end I was like, let's just caramelize the sugar a little bit, and I just put the whole mixture into microwave for like 1 minute. So if your sugar does not melt, you guys can put it in the microwave after mixing it with your hands. Like, if it crystallized, then you guys can put it in the microwave. If not, if it gets like literally super syrupy as the second you add it in your boba, then you don't have to microwave it. And here I'm just mixing it by hand mixing. All the sugar gets dissolved in the boba. Like, it's really cool. Like, I was like super shocked like how the brown sugar literally melted so nicely. As you guys can see, I haven't actually put it in the microwave yet, and still you guys can see it is super syrupy. Now that our boba is ready, now let's go and start making our drink. So first we'll take a glass or whatever you have, the utensils. And since we are making boba and it looks super nice, like when they make boba at the boba shop, like you guys can see it's super syrupy. I've actually microwaved it for 2 minutes, and yeah, you guys can see the brown sugar syrup is so nice. Now we guys can use it in the decoration of our beverage. So now I'll put it on the sides of the glass in a rotating motion, so that the syrup can actually make a design on the glass. As you guys can see, it looks so pretty. And oh my god, it was just so beautiful to look at. It's like so aesthetic. Oh my god, like wow. I was making boba tea for the first time in my home, and I was literally so surprised on how easy it is to make this drink, and how beautiful and effortless this looks. And oh my god, now just simply add all of your boba, how many you want, like just add it. And now I have just added the ice cubes, and now we'll add the tea. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Let's watch it in slow-mo, you guys. So yeah guys, that was pretty much the drink. If you guys like it and if you guys try it, then make sure to tag me on my Instagram. And also, if you guys want to order this boba, I'll leave you guys the link in the description. You guys can order from there. Now I'll show you guys the reaction that my mom gives after drinking it, because I was so scared like it wasn't good. So I'll tested it on my mom, and here's her reaction. मम्मा टेस्ट करो, टेस्ट करके बताओ कैसा बना है। टेस्ट करो बोबा टी। कैसा कैसा है, कैसा है?
बहुत टेस्टी बना है।
मुझे चाहिए, मुझे दो। अब बोल दो, सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए बोल दो व्यूअर्स को, फैंटास्टिक फरहाना को।
अगर आपको ऐसे ही टेस्टी रेसिपीज चाहिए तो सब्सक्राइब कीजिए सिंपली शाइना को।
क्या? सिंपली शाइना, गाइस सिंपली शाइना मेरी मम्मी का न्यू चैनल है। वो अभी तक हमने उस पर ज़्यादा वीडियोस नहीं अपलोड किए, बट यू गाइस गो एंड चेक आउट द रेसिपीज। बट मम्मा मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना था मम्मा गाइस लाइक
चैनल को भी सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए, फैंटास्टिक फरहाना को भी,
हाँ,
और सिंपली शाइना को भी।
सिंपली शाइना को भी। बाय गाइस, बाय बाय।